What's up, guys? We are at the lot right now. We're at just a new lot trying it out. I already done the clutch. I went ahead and changed out all the springs in it to the stiffer springs that I should have put in to begin with. Honestly, it's not that big of a difference in the clutch pull, so I would recommend just go ahead and changing them to all of them. I actually put some text in the video showing that you should just put all the springs in. But without further ado, I'm going to show you the differences in like second gear wheelies and third gear wheelies, and mainly the higher wheelies and how the pop is. So starting off, we obviously can do first. That's easy. Let's go to second. Now, it has been about a week and a half practicing, so I got better, but it pops second, which is a huge deal. And I could ride out second now because it's been like a little bit, it's the same as first, but it honestly stays straighter. But I could pop up second with ease. I say with ease, it took some practice. It's a lot of technique, but I was doing the same thing with the other clutch and it was not working. And with this clutch, it's every try. You just have to give it enough throttle and it comes right up. Very easy. Hey, wave at the crowd even though I can't take a hand off. Yeah. All right, now for third gear. Now for third gear, I'll get a little bit more of a run up. I want to show you guys. Third gear is maybe a little better. It's about the same. It's honestly mostly my technique here, so I really need to get better at that, but let's show you. So there's second, there's third gear, got a little runway, and it pops up pretty easily. Of course, we are going a slower speed, but it still pops it up, so it definitely works. There's Justin practicing, getting that knee down. If you guys haven't watched some of Justin's videos, check them out. They're on the same, you know, channel. Yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, that exhaust is too loud. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give a quick rundown of the differences. Third gear is probably a little better. It's not a huge difference, but second gear is a huge difference. I'm able to pop up second now on a sit down, which I was never able to do before. So huge difference. Next is probably third gear sit down. I've seen people do it before, so I know I can do it. And yeah, so we'll just keep going. But yeah, guys, biggest thing out of this is I can now do second. I could probably do it up to like 18 miles an hour. So that was 16, but it comes right up. So it's all technique and bounce and stuff, and I'm just going to keep getting better and better. But it's great that the clutch is working. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to have some practice here. Now we got a big bike out here. Oh. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.